In this video, we're making Dinuguan, which is a savory Filipino stew that is surprisingly easy to make low carb. This recipe calls for 10 ingredients, so pause here to get the list of things you're going to need. Take the pig's blood and 2 tablespoons of the vinegar and combine it into a small pot and heat on low until the blood congeals and becomes a little grainy. While it's heating, you can heat the coconut oil in a pot over medium heat, then add the onions until they begin to brown. Onions have a lot of water and take a while to brown, so don't usually believe time estimates for browning onions, but for us, it was roughly 20 minutes. Now that the blood's heated, take an immersion blender and blend it until it's smooth. You can also just wait until it cools and then use a regular blender. Now that the onions are browned, you can add the garlic and ginger and saute until fragrant. This takes about 30 seconds. This is when you add the pork belly to cook, occasionally stirring until it's lightly browned. Expect this step to take about 20 minutes. Next thing you want to do is add the fish sauce and cook for another 2 minutes. Now you're going to add the rest of the vinegar and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, leave uncovered for about 5 minutes to reduce some of the liquid. Now add the water and bring it back to a boil. Note, if you want it thicker, add less water, or no water at all. You do you. Now that it's boiling, lower the heat, cover, and continue to cook for roughly 15 to 20 minutes, or until the pork is tender. Now take that pig's blood from earlier and add it to the pot. Add the jalapenos, season with salt and pepper to taste, and simmer for another 10 minutes, or until the sauce has thickened to your liking. And that's it. You can serve it with cauliflower rice, or enjoy it by itself. At 2.7 net carbs per serving, this dish makes an excellent addition to any dinner menu.